Good morning, everybody, and this is your Dow Jones setup for today. So 2 weeks now that we have had tails to the upside, tails to the downside, bob wire confusion, and then we've got this massive rejection pin bar from yesterday. Now, this rejection is pretty much off nothing. There is a pin bar to the left here at 39,687, and we touched 39,730. So let's just say it's a round number of 39,700, which is what got us going. Looking at the oscillators, no indication of what's happening there. And you can see sellers coming in off the top, buyers coming in off the bottom, and we're just keeping price sort of, it's not exact, don't hold me to it, but if I just put a line through the middle here as an average, we're kind of just hovering around 39,400. And that's kind of what we're doing. So earnings season is upon us. We do have a lot of political data, or political noise, should I rather say, with all the multiple elections. And then you've got the Biden chaos as well in the US. So lots of confusion in the markets. No real indication when we're going to get an interest rate cut. So, we're still in limbo. So the minute you start drilling through the time frames, you'll see the confusion just continues. And so look at the 3 hour, last 2 weeks, pretty much sideways, big up, big down. We're staying above the 150 EMA, so that is the bullish signal, but it is really chaotic. So nothing that I really want to be trading, to be honest. And I just want to put in this pin bar. And you can see we have a pin bar here at 39,295. Let's just keep that in for now and then come across to the hour. And you can see, the 3rd of July, 4th of July was a public holiday, still pretty much a big move. Friday was absolutely nothing. And then yesterday, big up, looking like it's starting to get a decent break to the upside. Then a pullback back into the structure, and then a consolidate, well, not a consolidation, but back into the structure. So break, no retest of the breakout, pull back, bottom of the range, and then we sort of drifting higher again. The only bullish thing here is the fact that we're above the 150 EMA. So you should be looking for opportunities to buy, and you're looking for pullbacks onto structure or breakouts before you take the plunge. Now, if you look at the 15-minute, above the moving averages, fairly decent move, and then a big exhaustion bar. And this is just a lesson for you. When you have structured small bars like this, it's fine. You just keep moving your stops up. The minute you see a big, massive bar like this stretching, and that wasn't a level, but stretching like that, typically you just jump out of it and stay away from it, because this is normally what happens. So that is what we refer to as an exhaustion bar. Now, looking at the oscillators, we are grouped to the upside. We're back above the moving averages at the moment, but I think for me, I'd want to recapture 39,478, break, come back and test it. That would be the top of the range, the previous structure. See this pin bar? And you can look left, you'll see lots of attempts at this area. 39, let's just say 39,500, just round it off, because you'll probably find that 39,500 is here. Yeah, there it is there, right on this top. So you need a break above 39,500, pull back into the zone that we have here between 39,500 and 39,478. And then you're looking for a continuation up, and probably just to tag 39,687. Wouldn't be looking for shorts, definitely not, because we are in a confused uptrend. So it's not a smooth uptrend, but it's definitely, the buyers are sort of just grinding away, trying to keep this thing afloat. So we need to go with the trend, and that is the current trend at the moment. But that's my kind of view for today. Get above 39,500, come back and test, build a base inside here. Really decent opportunity for a long with the stop below the structure. very minimal risk. You probably find you're going to have a 50 to 100 point risk, and then you should be getting something in the region of 150 point reward. So yeah, that's a fairly decent trade for me, but I think it's going to be a scalp, so you're going to have to be watching it very closely. Anyway, that's it for me today. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow. Cheers for now.